Ba? Hold on, we're getting... Where are we going?
To Chicago.
4.5 hours. First stop over, 1 hour drive pa lang kami, but we had to. For coffee, dahil medyo puyat yung mga kasama ko. Luna, say hi! Hi! Finally! Babe, oh, hirap.
Nahirap makita.
So, okay na ulit. Konti na lang, babe. Half an hour.
Sun's out! Sun's out!
Lumiwanag na.
Eh, dyan tayo nag-cruise.
Look at this beautiful city. I love architecture here.
Guys, we're in the Hello Kitty Cafe in Chicago. Look.
Sa gilid pala yung entrance, ano? Okay.
Dito na lang kami.
Why? Why? May afternoon tea. Oh, only 45 minutes. Got it. Okay. Thank you. This everything Hello Kitty. And damay na rin yung ibang Sanrio characters, no? It's so pink. Daming tao. Ikot-ikot muna tayo, guys. Anak ko, nasa na? Hey, Luna! What do you do? Oh, ikot-ikot muna siya. Sige. Ang daming tao. Oh, gusto nyo ba dito? Type nyo?
Masyado pink.
What is this? Oh, okay.
What?
Are you gonna buy something? Hindi daw siya makapili, guys, eh. Oh, this is Keroppi, the frog. Oh, yun. Cinnamon roll?
I wanna see.
Hindi niya alam saan siya pupunta, oh. Ano unahin? This is where you pick up your order. Ang cute, no? Luna!
Mom, I got 5 coins. So I can do it.
That's right.
There!
Let's see the 130.
Let me hold this for you.
What is it?
I got Hello Kitty. No, I think I know. They're all Hello Kitty.
You're right, baby.
Get some.
Ang cute, guys, no? Talaga kung fan ka ng Hello Kitty, for sure, tatambay ka dito. Yun nga lang, ang dami rin talagang tao. Now, I'm gonna line up to get some cookies. Yung mga cookies nila, shape ng mga Hello Kitty and other Sanrio characters. Bili ko si Luna ng ilan. Okay? But I don't think uupo pa kami dito para kumain kasi nga naghahabol kami ng oras. Sakto, guys. Alam niyo ba, just a few days ago, it was Luna's birthday. And her theme was My Melody and Kuromi, yung mga kamag-anak ni Hello Kitty sa Sanrio family. Hi! Ito lang tayo, no? Para lang may mabigay tayo kay Bulinggit. Look! Wait, I'm still gonna pay for it, okay? There's no Kuromi. You wait, I'm gonna pay for it
I
first.
wanted my trophy.
Guys, pati yung banyo, oh, kita nyo? Hello, Kitty! Okay, okay, tapos na kami. Thank you so much!
Be careful going home.
Yes, you too, thank you. Look! Hey, did you have fun inside?
Yes,
How was it?
but why can't we eat?
Because, why can't we eat? Wala na tayong oras, anak.
Hungry.
Yeah, we're gonna eat soon. Alis na kami. Walking to the bean. Let's go.
Mine's bigger than yours.
Ay! Cloud Gate, good walk to. Oh.
Try it. Is it yum?
14-minute walk, oh. Palag 2 minutes.
No, why not?
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Oh, Ninang Nicole. How is it?
It's good.
It's good. Hi. Oh,
You don't like it?
Can I try it? Can Ninang try it?
Oh, see? And then you wanna eat there? You still wanna eat there? Go back?
Can I have a bite?
Oh.
It's good. Yummy.
Mm.
I like it.
Totoo na to. Alis na talaga kami. By the way, ito guys yung Trump Tower. Oh. It's right across the Trump Tower. Okay. Sakto pala yung pag-alis namin. Tignan nyo guys, may pila na. May pila na agad sa labas. Buti na lang. Michigan Avenue, East. Or mali ba basa ko?
Oy, faster,
North.
faster.
Dito tayo. Parang isang diretso lang nito.
10 minutes to.
Siguro about 3 blocks is the bean.
Just living? Gaga said it's so popular.
Si Luna, ayun. Ay, by the way, so Chicago is known as the windy city, and it's true. So both times na nandito kami, talagang mahangin. Kahit na supposedly ang temperature ay almost 30 degrees today, no? Pero dahil sa hangin, malamig. Yeah.
Mandos.
There's a Nutella restaurant, you're right. Ayun daw, Nutella restaurant over there. Nutella restaurant. My God, o bawal dyan pag meron kang diabetes, ha? Alam niyo kung bakit gusto ko rin dito sa Chicago. Dito rin nakaset ang marami sa mga pinapanood ko. One of my favorite movies, My Best Friend's Wedding. One of my favorite series naman sa TV, The Good Wife. Yan, dito rin yan. And then other movies like, While You Were Sleeping, ni Sandra Bullock. And then, yung medyo mas bago, The Bear. Yan, yung series din yan sa Prime, pinapanood ko. And in fact, dun sa Bear, finisher pa nila sa isang episode doon yung Michelin star na Filipino restaurant dito. Yung Kasama. Oh. Yung sa The Bear, babe, diba? Yung pinapanood natin isa.
Yeah.
They featured a Filipino Michelin restaurant here, Kasama. Pero we checked, unfortunately, closed sila bukas. Gusto sana namin puntahan.
Babe, usually sa North America, sarado ang mga Filipino stores ng Monday and Tuesday. That's their weekend.
Okay, well, so ayun, bad timing kami, sayang. Okay? Anyway, nandito na kami agad sa The Bean, yung Millennium Park. Millennium Park. Nasa loob nito yung The Bean.
I'm gonna check out the
Is this a wishing fountain? Bawal na yata ngayon maglagay talaga ng mga barya sa mga ganito eh, no?
Where did it go? My head. I can go that beach.
Sa taas nito, no? Yan, dyan na tayo. Last time we were here, si Luna, naalala ko, naka-stroller pa. I think she was just a little over 2 years old that time. Tsaka kasama pa namin yung parents ni JJ. Ano ba yan? Both of whom, tingnan mo, wala na ngayon. The Bean! Nasaan na yung mga yon? Ito pala, mukha ngang madulas ha. Basa-basa kasi. Okay. In person, it's bigger. So, it's an artwork, the most popular one here in Chicago. And it's famous for its parang mirroring, no, feature niya. Supposedly, may angle dito na maganda na mamimirror niya yung magandang skyline daw ng Chicago eh. Okay. And it's made of stainless steel. Punta tayo sa ilalim. You can go under it. Ito natin nyo ah. Look. Okay? Baka mauntog ako, hindi ko makita yung taas. Luna! Look! There it is. Parang nakakaduling sa camera yata eh. No? What do you call this place, Luna? The Bean. Now it's also called Cloud Gate. Ano, babe? Wala masabi. Ayan, mag-picture kami, guys. May reflection aspect ba to? Nasa tayo? Ayun! But I think we need to... kunyari, pipicture natin sarili natin, babe. Ayun. Okay, hello. Nakakapayat to.
Pagod ko.
Wala, no?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ito pala, guys, yung ano, makikita mo yung skyline. This side. Diba? Kita ninyo? Ayan. So, pag akyat nyo dun sa stairs, punta kayo sa may bandang kanan. Ikutin ninyo, makikita nyo to. Okay, we're done with the Bean. Pupunta naman kami ngayon sa Al's Beef. Dun kami magdi-dinner. It's a popular sandwich place here. Sige, papakita ko sa inyo pag nandun na kami.
Si John Leslie.
The Public Library of Chicago.
When you go to New York, so I can put you on the top of the Jenga.
You gotta put it down sa building.
Washing?
Hindi, going other side.
Tawag dito yung saan kila Jay? Paano yun? Nandun? Ay, hindi ka makala. Sa circle na.
We're here, Al's #1 Italian beef. Yay! They have a wall of photos of popular, famous people who have come here.
Yes, can get
Hillary Clinton. Kita ko agad. Ano pa ba? Oh, si Chef Bobby Flay. Jackie, what did we order?
For Italian beef ate, dalawang fries, tas dalawang cups ng gravy.
Okay.
Pang sausaw.
Marami sa amin kasi guys, maghahati lang kasi yung big beef sandwich nila talagang malaki.
Let's look for another food.
Misos pinad.
Yung pig. Oh, so yung mas malaki.
O yan na. Akin na yung mas messy.
Ito, saan? Parehas na naman.
Can I move this?
Ooh. It looks messy, but it's yummy. So, you dip it. Ano ba yung dinidip na tawag dyan?
Gravy.
Gravy nila.
Arjo? Oh, gravy.
I want gravy.
Or you can dip your bread in the gravy too.
Not gravy.
Yes, baby.
It's a different kind of gravy, okay?
Some fries.
It's a little watery.
But it's tasty. Yeah?
A little bit. I like
Dati ano pang in-order natin? Sauce, pork chop sandwich.
Ay,
Let's go tonight.
Dip it. Oh my god. Then,
Here.
look baby.
There's something different though. They like that.
now.
Hotel na kami guys. I'm gonna call it a night. I'll see you guys sa day 2 ng aming trip. Okay? Hey Luna.
Yes.
Say good night vlog.
Bye, guys. And be quiet because I'm feeding my baby.
Naku, pinapaalis na ako.